Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy J-Hen. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. Today we are going to check out and kind of review and unbox this. This is the Bitech head mount, and it says it pretty much fits over the head or over most helmets, and it's offering a one-size-fits-all design. The head mount can be placed over most helmets or directly on your head, and it says you're able to adjust it as needed for comfort and secure fit with all the straps that you needed. So it says it has about 6 to 7 inches. It can stretch and extend up to 12 inches in diameter, and the head strap camera mount won't get in the way of sunglasses or audio headset. And it says that it can also be worn comfortably over a baseball hat or a ski helmet. And this head mount also offers hands-free filming. The head strap camera mount makes hands-free filming a breeze. Adjustable straps with non-slip rubber inserts create and maintain a proper fit, while doable buckleless ensure secure, reliable connection. So let's take a look at what's inside this box here. And so, you guys, I've actually had this for a while. It's July now. I got this back in December. My cousin, Miss Cinnamon Spice, YouTuber Miss Cinnamon Spice, she actually got this for me. You can see her picture up there, a link to check out her YouTube channel. But she actually got this for me for Christmas. So this is my first time, opening it up. And I guess we'll actually have to take this out on an adventure. It does come with a few pieces here. I see a mount. I'm familiar with seeing these type of mounts because I have a GoPro. So I see it has this mount here. I'm not sure if you can mount a GoPro to it or not. I'll have to look to see. Oh, I don't see any instructions, but I might be able to use this with a GoPro. Oh, you know what? Actually, oh, this is pretty cool because you can use this. Actually, it has this those 3 little prongs there, so this can actually be used with a GoPro. So pretty much I already have one of these that's an official GoPro one now, but I have this adapter piece here that can go into here, can adjust pretty much adjust inside of here. Look, no instructions. I'm just figuring this out on my own right here, what to do. Then you put this piece inside of here. So pretty much you can screw this piece into here if you want to use it with your phone instead of a GoPro. And once it's screwed in, the good thing is you can pretty much just twist it right there for whichever angle or whichever way you want to film. So if you're doing like TikToks, you can or a story, maybe go up and down. If you're doing YouTube, you can have your phone placed in vertical up. I got 2 phones sitting over here. Why not just put a phone inside of here so you guys could actually see? So here you go. Wow. So here you go. So we have the phone in place here. Let me get a little close, and you can see you can either film with it going this way, or you can take it up that way. I guess I could try it on too when I'm outside here. Let's see. Oh, and I'm getting a phone call, y'all. Getting a phone call, but see, you can try it on, and you can turn it. Seems a little heavy. I don't know what's gonna keep it in place. Let's see. It does seem kind of heavy here. Dang, this is heavy. I don't know if something's not screwed in all the way, but it seems like this is not staying in place. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how this work out. Let's see. Let me take it off to see what I could do to it to where it's not moving so much. Because right now it's moving a lot. Let me try to turn this a different way. Maybe I had it turned in the wrong way. We'll try this a different way. Maybe that was the issue. Oh, yep, I must have had it. No. Okay. There we go. I got it screwed in all the way now. Let's see. Oh, and then this isn't screwed. Okay, you guys, you got to make sure everything is tight. Let's see. Yeah, I guess you got to make sure stuff is tight with this. Alright, so now it feels tight. Everything is screwed in tight. This piece is screwed in tight. This is twisted tight. So this piece here is twisted tight on there. So we're going to try this again and put it on. Still feels pretty weighty. And again, I guess you would figure that because it is an actual cell phone. I don't know how long I'd want to walk around with this on my head. Maybe if I had a helmet on over it, but just to walk around like this without a cap, I don't know. I guess you could adjust it and move it around. But this is pretty much what you'd be working with if you did get one of these from Bytech. But again, I guess if I don't have my GoPro around and if I'm desperate for being hands-free and I want to get some footage, I would actually use this. Or yeah, it'd be a great way to be hands-free. And if I had a hat on or a cap, I think I would use this. And I'll see if I could place a link down in the description down below, so that way if you're interested in trying one of these out, you can go ahead and order one. Again, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and leave a comment. All right, until next time, you guys. Peace.